In the heart of bustling New York City, imagine a young professional named Alex. Despite working tirelessly from Monday to Friday, Alex feels financially drained. Every month, bills pile up, savings dwindle, and dreams seem out of reach. But what if there was a way for Alex to achieve financial freedom even while catching some rays on the beach in Bali? Yes, I'm talking about passive income. A game changer that can turn your financial future around without you having to lift a finger. In this video, we're going to dive deep into this concept, exploring what it really means, why it's so important, and how you can start reaping its benefits today. And the best part, I'll be sharing tried and tested strategies that are guaranteed to get those coins rolling in. So if you're ready to unlock a new level of financial freedom and security, grab a seat because by the end of this video, we'll have a clear roadmap to creating multiple streams of passive income. What is passive income? Before we dive into how to make passive income, let's start with a clear understanding of what it actually means. Picture this. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. The sun is shining, birds are tweeting, and you decide to spend the day leisurely reading a book in your favorite spot in the park. Suddenly, a notification pops up on your phone. You check it and find that another payment has been added to your account. Without you having to do anything at all, money is starting to pour in. This is what passive income is all about. It's about creating a financial stream that keeps flowing even when you're not actively working. So, rather than spending every waking moment trying to make money, you can enjoy the finer things in life while your investments bring in the green. And the best part, it doesn't require much daily effort once you set it up correctly. Just think about how amazing it would feel to wake up every morning, knowing that you have multiple streams of passive income coming in. You can finally say goodbye to the stress of living paycheck to paycheck and hello to a more relaxed, enjoyable life. So stay tuned because we're just getting started. Why do investments matter? In the grand scheme of financial success, investments play a pivotal role. They're the secret weapon that can help you build long-term wealth and achieve your financial goals. But why are they so important? Let me explain. First off, let's talk about inflation. It's basically this sneaky economic force that makes prices go up over time. If you have savings sitting in a bank account, inflation can eat away at its value, meaning your money could lose purchasing power. That's where investments come to the rescue. By investing your money, you can potentially earn a return that beats inflation, ensuring your wealth grows instead of stagnating. Next, consider the power of compounding returns. This is a phenomenon where your earnings generate additional earnings. Imagine investing $100 today and earning a 10% annual return. In 1 year, your investment would grow to 110. The following year, your 110 investment would earn 11.10, and so on. Before you know it, your initial 100 has turned into a significant amount, simply because you left your money invested and let time work its magic. Moreover, investing helps you diversify your income sources. Rather than relying on a single job or income stream, investments allow you to create a more robust and stable financial foundation. This diversification provides peace of mind, knowing that you have multiple streams of income to support you and your loved ones. Types of investments know that we understand the importance of investments. Let's dive into the exciting world of investment options. There are plenty of avenues to explore, and I'll guide you through some of the most popular ones. Stocks and dividends. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder, entitling you to a portion of the company's profits in the form of dividends. Owning shares in major companies like Apple, Google, or Amazon can bring in substantial dividends, providing a steady stream of passive income. Research companies thoroughly before investing to ensure their long-term viability and growth potential. Real estate. Investing in real estate has long been a path to wealth creation. Consider purchasing a rental property where you can rent out the space to tenants and receive monthly payments. Alternatively, you can invest in REITs, which are real estate investment trusts that allow you to own a piece of a larger real estate portfolio. With the right property or REIT, you can enjoy rental income without the hassle of direct property management. Bonds and fixed income. Bonds offer a more conservative approach to investing. By lending money to a government or corporation, you can earn interest payments over a set period. Government bonds tend to be safer, while corporate bonds may offer higher yields but come with more risk. Consider diversifying your portfolio with bonds to provide stability and regular income. These options are ideal for those seeking a more secure investment strategy. Digital assets. In the age of technology, digital assets are gaining prominence. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create valuable digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or templates and sell them repeatedly. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad enable you to reach a global audience, generating passive income from your digital creations, stock photos, and music. If you're a photographer or musician, you can monetize your creative work by selling stock photos or music tracks. Websites like Shutterstock or Audio Jungle allow you to upload and license your work. Each time someone downloads your photo or uses your music, you earn royalties, creating a passive income stream from your artistic talents. How to get started? Know that you're familiar with different investment types. Let's discuss how to get started on your passive income journey. Follow these steps to lay a solid foundation for your financial success. First, assess your risk tolerance. Before diving into any investment, determine your risk appetite. Different investments carry varying levels of risk, and it's crucial to align your choices with your comfort level. Consider your financial goals, time horizon, and ability to handle potential market fluctuations. Knowledge is power when it comes to investing. Conduct thorough research and educate yourself about different investment options. Understand the potential returns, risks, and long-term prospects before committing your money. Don't hesitate to consult with a financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance based on your circumstances. Automate your contributions. To stay consistent with your investments, automate your contributions. Set up regular transfers from your bank account to your investment accounts. This way, you'll invest a fixed amount every month without having to think about it. The power of compounding interest and time will work its magic over the years. Remember, consistency is key to long-term success. Common mistakes to avoid while pursuing passive income. It's essential to be aware of common mistakes that can hinder your progress. Here are a few pitfalls to avoid. Chasing get-rich-quick schemes. Be wary of individuals or schemes that promise unrealistic returns. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Avoid investing in ventures that guarantee high profits in a short period, as they often turn out to be scams or highly risky. Not doing your research. Never invest in something you don't fully understand. Take the time to study investment options, read financial reports, and seek professional advice when needed. Make informed decisions based on thorough research rather than relying on luck or tips from unreliable sources. Relying on only one income stream. Diversification is crucial to mitigate risks. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore various passive income streams and invest in different asset classes. This way, if one source encounters challenges, you'll still have others supporting your overall income. Remember, the journey to financial freedom takes time and dedication. Stay patient, stay consistent, and watch your investments grow. You can start small, maybe with just $10 or $20 a month, and gradually increase your contributions as your income grows. Over time, you'll be amazed at the snowball effect that compounding returns can create. And don't forget, it's not about getting rich quickly. It's about building a secure, fulfilling financial future. As you continue to learn and gain experience, you can refine your investment strategy and adapt to changing market conditions. Embrace the learning process and continuously seek ways to improve. Stay open to new ideas and technologies that can enhance your passive income potential. The world of finance is constantly evolving, and embracing change will keep you ahead of the curve. Which type of passive income will you start with? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts on the topic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for joining me on this journey to financial freedom. And until next time, happy investing.